Porsche Macan 2016 original key. We are here to make a spare key. The process looks like the first we have to check what is engine start normally. Engine start, all good, but engine control fault, but it's not from us. Keys work. To make this job done, we have to remove BCM model, so we have to remove this plastic, and BCM located underneath. We remove this, we remove this one pieces. We have to as well remove this one pieces. This one removed, and unscrew a few bolts here. After when we remove this plastic, our BCM located right here. Our BCM was removed, and now we have to read data from the BCM model. We already read all information what we need and make a dealer key. Now we have to put everything back and learn new key into the vehicle. New key was learned. We have to check it. Engine start. Job is completely done. Original one. New one key. We start engine with new one key. Engine start. Original one. If you need a spare key or all key lost, contact us.